All right, this is Module 4, Lesson 2. We're going to call this Part 2. I apologize that my phone got cut off there just a second ago, but I want to make sure that you can still see the end of this video. So what I had just done at the end of our first video was drawn an obtuse angle, and I want to draw one more. Remember, it doesn't matter which direction that angle opens. So I think this time I will make my angle, make my vertices over here. So I'm going to draw one of my rays. See, I said I was going to do it the other way. So I'm going to put an arrow here, put my vertice right here, vertex right here. Getting a little crazy this afternoon. It's a vertex. When there's more than one, it's vertices. And I'm going to make this angle an obtuse angle, so I know it's got to be greater than a right angle. So this time, I'm going to draw my other ray going up this way. Remember, it's not going to lay down flat. So I have two obtuse angles that are drawn. I want to make sure that you have drawn these too. Always, always, always use your right angle template to check. How many times did we fold this paper to make our right angle template? If you said twice, you're exactly right. All right, one more thing that I want to show you today. In your problem set, you've got a couple of different things to do. Number one, you have matching. Please use your right angle template to check and make sure that these angles are in fact acute, right, and obtuse. Don't just eyeball it. Let's be precise. On the next page of your problem set, or actually let's skip real quick. We're going to skip this picture page and we're going to come here to problem 3. Here it says you're going to construct each of the following types of angles using a straight edge and the right angle template that you created. I'm fine if you just use the straight edge of your right angle template. So you're going to draw an acute angle, a right angle, and an obtuse angle, and then it says that you are going to compare each one to a right angle. So you need a sentence with each one of these. You can write, my acute angle is less than my right angle. I'll let you do the other two. Now, this last one, you might be looking at it going, what in the world? This one says that we're going to see if we can identify acute, obtuse, and right angles within Picasso's painting. So you're going to trace at least 2 of each angle. You're going to label them with points, and you're going to name them in the table below. So what you're going to do is you're going to see if you can find an acute angle. We'll just do a couple of these together in this painting. All right, well, I think I see one. I think I see one right here. Do you guys see that? Right here. So I'm going to call this angle A, B, C. Let me put the B down here. This is going to be angle ABC. And I'm going to write that this angle, this acute angle, is angle A, B, C. And I'm going to write that in the box underneath. Then I'm going to see if I can find an obtuse angle in this picture. When I do, I'm going to check it with my right angle template just to make sure. And I better make sure that that acute angle was acute. That one was pretty obvious, but let's look at this one. I see one right here. This one's obtuse. It's greater than 90 degrees. And I think I'm going to label this one angle D, E, F. And I'm going to record it down here. Then I'm going to see if I can find a right angle, another acute, another obtuse, and another right. When you finish with this activity, please make sure you do your exit ticket. You guys did a fabulous job today doing your exit tickets online. It really helps me see what you know. Some of you got an email back from me saying, hey, wait a second, you really need to do something different. And I want you to fill in the blanks and follow the directions on the exit ticket. I think you're doing an awesome job. And if you have questions, as always, please let me know. And I'd love for you to keep working and learning on Zearn about acute, right, and obtuse angles. See you next time.